Did you know Julius Caesar received 20 specific warnings about his assassination, yet walked straight to his death anyway? On the Ides of March, his wife Calpurnia woke up screaming from nightmares about his murder. She begged him to stay home. A soothsayer had already warned him directly, "Beware the Ides of March." As Caesar walked to the Senate, a man named Artemidorus handed him a scroll listing every conspirator's name. Caesar never read it. Even at the last moment, a priest found the worst possible omen. The sacrificial animal had no heart. But Caesar ignored everything and entered Pompey's theater, where 60 conspirators waited with daggers. They stabbed him 23 times, thinking they were saving the Republic from a tyrant. Instead, they created a martyr. Caesar's will revealed he had adopted his grandnephew Octavian as heir and left money to every Roman citizen. The assassination backfired completely. Instead of saving the Republic, it triggered 14 years of civil war. The result: Octavian became Augustus, Rome's first emperor. Sometimes ignoring warnings changes history forever.